There's always something new coming into Burlington. On October 26th, the Butterfly Network held their grand opening down at the district.
This is such a great day for Butterfly. You know, it's our official grand opening. Butterfly is a transformational digital health company that's bringing the power of ultrasound information to every patient. Moved here in the spring, and so this is our official grand opening. We're opening the doors to the community, and we're very excited.
Butterfly's former headquarters was in Connecticut. They did a nationwide search for a new location and ended up choosing Burlington.
We're proud to be growing, and we wanted a space where we can really grow and thrive for the years to come. And we thought Massachusetts would be a great place. You know, we've got the great corridor here between the tech side of our business and then really the life science med tech portion of that. So Burlington was just really the perfect place for us and to be part of that Massachusetts healthcare ecosystem.
Town leaders spoke highly about the new organization.
We're so happy to have them. They get involved not only with the business community, but the community in general. They're great corporate citizens, and they have a great product.
Butterfly is really kind of a unique R&D company because it really is blending not just, kind of the health aspects, but also the technology aspects, and it really kind of brings to life like kind of our R&D presence here in Burlington, which we've had a long history around high tech, but now with life science, it's really elevated it in a whole new dimension.
We have the people that the companies are looking for, we have the educational opportunities, and we're going to continue to support this life sciences industry. It's the heartbeat of Massachusetts economy, and right here in Burlington, this is the place where companies are choosing.
From Butterfly Network headquarters at the district, I'm Robert Paris for BNEWS Weekly.